How's it going, everybody? Jared from Fuzzy Nerds Universe bringing you another trading card opening video. Today we are going to be opening some Magic the Gathering packs from the Kaladesh set. Now this is a new set for me. I've never opened any of these packs before, so I'm not sure what to expect. I haven't played Magic in a while, so hopefully we get some good pulls, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. So we have our first pack here, and let's go ahead and see what's inside. Alright, so start here with Vidalcan Blademaster, a Thriving Ibex, Thriving Rats, a High Spire Artisan, a Bastion Mastodon, a Welding Sparks, a Cogworker's Puzzle Nut, Tidy Conclusion, an Inventor's Goggles, an Oval Chase Daredevil, or Oval Chase, I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, an Elegant Edge Crafters, a Morbid Curiosity, a Torrential Gearhulk. Ooh, we got here a Foil Mountain, that's pretty cool, a Forest, and then I guess this is the artifact token, a Servo. So what was our rare for that? I think our rare... Oh, okay, I see. So we have this is our mythic card. The Torrential Gearhulk. That's a pretty cool card. Right. So for our next pack, we'll have to wait and see what we get. Hopefully we get some cool pulls. Again, here's the artwork on the pack. It's pretty cool, I think. Again, I am not really sure about this set. I've never played any of these cards from this set. I played from other sets like Dragons of Tarkir, but this is a new set for me. So, let's see. So we have a Ruinous Gremlin, an Eddy Trail Hawk, a Weldfast Wingsmith, a Thriving Rats again, a High Spire Artisan again, a Malfunction, an Aradra Express, a Giant Spectacle, a Die Young, a Weldfast Monitor. We have Aetherborn Marauder, a Durable Handicraft, a Sequestered Stash, and our rare is Wildest Dreams. And then we get a Mountain and another token artifact, the Thopter. So we got some pretty nice cards. Not really anything that would be too crazy, but it's still a fun game, and if you guys are looking in getting into this set, I would highly recommend it. It seems like a cool set, and I look forward to playing with these cards in the future. So thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.